So Allume is a Melbourne-based company committed to making rooftop solar accessible to people who have traditionally been missing out. Namely, we focus on the over 2 million Australians living in low-rise apartments with the roof space for solar but no affordable way to get access to it. With rooftop solar being so financially and environmentally compelling in Australia, we didn't think this was fair. So we built the SolShare, which is the world's first and only behind-the-meter solar sharing system. It allows a single rooftop solar system to be optimally shared by separately grid-connected and separately metered units within that building. For the first time, making rooftop solar easy to install on small apartment buildings. The SolShare works by monitoring and responding to the instantaneous usage of each of the units that are connected to send them their solar allocation at a time and to a quantity that maximises their savings. The SolShare is made here in Melbourne and has been recognised by the Clean Energy Council Innovation Award. It's already extended rooftop solar to over 1,000 apartments in Australia, and we are set to double that by the end of this year. We're also excited to be bringing this Aussie invention to the world with current implementations underway in both the US and the UK.
With over 22 million Americans living in low-rise multifamily buildings and over 40% of Europe in the same boat, we didn't see a world where it continued to be the case that such a large portion of the global population were missing out on access to rooftop solar. So we really are excited to be driving that change.
So if you're a community housing provider or a property developer looking to extend cheaper, cleaner power to your customers or tenants, we would love to speak to you. That's me out of time. Thanks for the opportunity to chat, Finn. Hopefully I can get over to Adelaide at some stage soon and catch up. I'm looking forward to getting more solar on apartments over there too.